Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring how we might befriend the fear that arises during chaotic times. By grounding through the breath, opening up ourselves with compassion, and understanding that change is constant, we find a greater sense of inner peace and resilience. To begin, bring yourself to a comfortable seated position. Straighten the spine, relax your arms and hands, and gently close your eyes. Draw your attention to the breath to settle in, simply watching its natural flow into and out of your lungs. As you continue to mind the breath, relax the muscles in your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders, your hands, and your belly. Bringing the physical body to a state of greater relaxation where possible. Continue to mind the movement of the breath as it comes into the body and as it departs, using the breath as an anchor for your awareness anytime the mind wanders. Spend a few more silent moments following the natural and unique rhythm of your own breath. When the times we are experiencing feel chaotic, it can be difficult to find a sense of peace, ease, and contentment. We might experience chaos around the end of a relationship, the loss of a job, sickness or illness, or during social and political instability, among other circumstances. For fear to arise during these times of life is completely natural, and yet, despite the chaos, it is possible to find moments of ease, lightness, and compassion amidst the stormy weather. To befriend the fear we might experience during chaotic times, the first thing we might practice is breath awareness. In any moment when life feels out of control, we can come back to the flow of the breath to remind us that we are being supported. Making peace with our fear also involves self-compassion and self-care. Being understanding and compassionate towards ourselves during times of difficulty helps us to honor the part of us that is struggling, which then enables us to find the strength to move forward. Mindful self-care is of the utmost importance too. By granting ourselves permission to rest, replenish, and refuel, whether that be through meditation, yoga, time spent in nature, connecting with others, or anything else that is restorative for you, we provide ourselves with the energy required to effectively face what we are experiencing. Once we are grounded in the present moment and have lovingly nurtured ourselves, we might then find opportunity in the chaos. As Nietzsche wrote, You must have chaos within you to give birth to a dancing star. Often, it is in the midst of chaos, during our darker hours, that we find unexpected resources, gifts, and the possibility of new life. Because, like all else, this too shall pass. Take a moment now to come back to the body, relaxing any muscles that may have unconsciously tensed up in this time. And then ground your attention in the natural flow of the breath once again. Without changing the breath in any way, and without looking for anything miraculous, simply note the very subtle sensations associated with its flow. Notice the sense of expansion as you breathe in and the sense of sinking, relaxing, or letting go as you breathe out. Spend just a few more moments grounding yourself in the present moment through the simple awareness of your breath's movements. Now bring a sense of tenderness, kindness, and care to your inner experience of the chaos that surrounds you. Consider how you might nurture yourself through supportive, silent words now. And also through the steps you might take in the hours ahead. Note, too, that this very practice is an act of self-care. Continually come back to the breath anytime the mind wanders into fear. And then see if you can connect with the fundamental truth that this too shall pass. This notion is not to deny your present experience, but it can help to remind us that whatever we are experiencing is a passing wave, and that perhaps, even amidst the discomfort, we might find unexpected opportunity for learning, growth, and new life. Come back to the breath now, letting it remind you again and again that you are supported right in this moment. Ground yourself through the earth or seat beneath you now. And when you feel ready to return to the world around you, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. See you again.